Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am giving you a review of 5 different Pixi products that I tried out this last month. So I gave it a month or at least 3 weeks it's been so far of me using all these products, minus 2 of the face products because I didn't like to use them at the same time. So it's more like maybe a week or more of each of the this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Serum and the Pixi Skin Treats Phenomenal Gel. So I did use like maybe a week and a half of one and a week and a half of the other, maybe a little bit less of each, but I have gave them both a fair shot, and I have, I know how I like them now. So there's one more product I almost forgot about. It's my face wash and I have to go get it from my shower. So there's 6 products. I'm going to start off with the one that I almost forgot because it comes pretty much first when you're applying. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. It's exfoliating cleanser. So this is a very gentle exfoliating cleanser. It's not like you really feel it exfoliating. It's really gentle. It's more like a chemical exfoliant, I think, but it's really gentle, but it works really good. I have dry sensitive skin, but I'm pretty sure anybody could use this product. It does have a slight rosy scent to it, but it's not overpowering. It's really quite a nice smelling, but I don't think anybody's going to get a headache from it unless you're really sensitive to scent. I really love this product, and like I said, I've been using it every day for a month. It still has a lot of product. I can't really tell where it's at, but if I had to guess, probably around right here where it's creased a little bit. But that crease was there when they actually sent it in their packaging. It was kind of bent in there. They're really good about not having too big of packaging, but then again, I think they needed a slightly bigger box that they sent it in since it was kind of, bent in there. I'm surprised it didn't bust in shipping, but it didn't. So I appreciate the thought of being more aware about packaging and not being wasteful, but then again, I think it needed a slightly bigger package, at least one that was this long. That way it could have been, not smushed in there, but it was fine. Yeah, I really love this, and I definitely recommend it to y'all if y'all are looking for a nice cruelty-free facial cleanser. They sell Pixi at Target, but me personally, I like to shop on Pixi's website. I believe I have like a little link down in my description box below. I don't know if that helps me in any way, shape, or form. If it does, thanks for using the link, but you can easily check out that link and it'll click you right over there. I really like Pixi so far. I have 2 items that basically comes next. Let's see. Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Serum Exfoliating Radiance Serum. This is that. I used this for probably a week and a half, and it does have a slight smell to it, but I really can't. I want to say this smells like glycerin, but I don't know for sure. It says that this lightweight serum gently exfoliates. I really didn't notice any type of exfoliant, so it must be like a chemical exfoliant, kind of like the face wash. But I mean, I do have dry skin, and I normally have a problem with dry skin around my nose, and I have not experienced that since I've been using these products, so it's probably working in that way. It says it hydrates and nourishes. With this by itself, I mean, I guess If it hydrates and nourishes, it's very slight. That's why I think everybody can use this. It's not overpowering, so if you have oily skin, this is a type of hydrating and nourishing type of serum you would need. But if you're dry skin like me, you're gonna probably need to use a moisturizer of your choice afterwards. So it's not gonna do like all the work for you, but it is going to make it like a nice neutralizing kind of base. It's gonna leave you, you know, I hope you know what I'm trying to say. It says it softens, and it does soften, refines and restores radiance for smooth and balanced skin. So basically it just leaves your skin with a nice balanced, you know, you don't feel too oily, too dry, and it soothes your skin. It really does all of that. So I agree to all of those things that they say. And you use 2 to 3 drops to cleansed, toned skin before moisturizer. So I did use about 3 drops on my face every day for a week and a half, and that seemed to be, I liked 3 drops more than 2 personally, just because I liked it to be a little bit more than just enough, if that makes sense. I didn't tone my skin before using this. I wasn't wanting to put a toner that wasn't from Pixi on, and I don't have a Pixi toner right now, but it did really nice before a moisturizer. So all the claims are correct, and I really do love this product, and I do recommend it. So now the next product is the Pixi Skin Treats Phenomenal Gel Neutralizing Moisturizer. And this is what the product looks like. It says it's balanced and pH neutralizing moisture gel. So I do agree with that. It does leave your skin really balanced and neutralized, and it does feel like a moisturizing gel. It's kind of like this. That's why I said I don't think you need both of these at the same time, because they kind of do similar things. Which one I liked better, I really don't know, because I went from one to the other. Like I would use one week, then the next week I would use one, then the next week, you know, I would switch them out each week, and I've been testing them out for like 4 weeks now. So I loved, but I really loved both of them, and I can't recommend one over the other. I really can't. I will say that this one has, if there's a scent, I can't smell it. I would say it doesn't have a scent at all, in my opinion. And the Skin Treats one, this one does have some type of smell to it, but I can't really tell what it is. It's a pleasant scent, and it's very slight. And I really didn't notice it having a scent before putting it, before now. Like, you don't really smell it when you're applying it that much, unless you're really paying attention to it. But this one, now that I'm sniffing it, doesn't have a scent to it whatsoever. So I guess if you want more of a serum type of feel to it, you would go with this one. But if you want more of a gel type of feel, you would go with this one. But they both did somewhat of the same thing, and I really loved both of them and do recommend either one of them. And how much I have, I want to say I have half or more still left in this one, and in this one probably a little bit more than half left on this one. So the next thing is this Pixi On The Glow Multi-Use Moisture Stick, and I loved this. Like, I don't know if this is my favorite item. I really can't pick my favorite out of all of these, because there's a bunch of favorites. But I really did love this so much that I have almost used all of it, and it's like a deodorant stick. So I will blend this up. That's all I have left. So I used this on my face, I used it on my shoulders, I used it wherever I had dry spots, I would use it. So I would use this every day, and I'll show you how far it goes down. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and that's how much product I used so far. I really do love this product. It says it's travel friendly and a solid moisturizer. And it is. It's very travel friendly, and I did take this on my Tennessee trip. I took a few of the other Pixi products for skincare. I didn't carry any makeup on my Tennessee trip. And if you haven't seen that Tennessee trip of mine, that was viewed pretty good. So I might be doing, every time I travel, I might do a travel vlog now, since that one did so good. And y'all seem to really enjoy me making vlogs. But I'll have it in the corners right through here if you hadn't seen that travel vlog of mine. And I will put it in the description box below if you're interested in seeing that. But I didn't take any makeup on my trip because I didn't want to be that antisocial. So I just brought the Pixi like skincare line basically with me, and they are very travel friendly, and I really love the Pixi brand so far for skincare. And the makeup's doing pretty good too so far that I have tried. But yes, it says use on face, lips, body, and hair. I didn't use it on my hair yet just because, well, I think I did a little bit, but I have kind of like straight oilier hair, so I don't think I'll really need it. But if I had a flyaway, which, I mean, my flyaways are not that bad right now, and I don't want to put more moisture on my hair right now. But if you have like a little frizz, you could just like put your fingers on there and kind of warm it up and just kind of get where it's frizzing away at. But I haven't really needed it, but I could see it really being a multi-use type of product, and I love those type of products. To use, twist base of stick, close lid after each use, and I did. So really love this product, definitely recommend it. Alright, so the next product I have from Pixi is this Pixi by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. I did see that they have like a darker version of this same type of blush highlight duo thing, and I want to get that, but I don't know. Like, it's not that big of a difference when you swatch it on your hand, but it does look intriguing, and I love this one so much I wouldn't mind having that one in my collection. But it comes with a kabuki brush, and I have been using this brush for this product, so I do like the brush that comes with it. Normally I'm like, okay, and I'll put that aside for a brush that comes with makeup, but this one has been quite nice, and I see myself continuing to use it with this product. But I have this on my face today as my highlight blush, and I really have loved it, and I definitely recommend it. The only thing I could see being a problem with this product, if you are scared about some highlighters that show texture to your skin, you might want to stay away from this one, just because it could be a problem to some people. You know, when your skin matures or you have acne scars or whatever you might have a problem with your skin, it might show texture more to your skin. But to me, I love this product, but I don't really have problem areas that I don't want to highlight. So I love this highlighter. But yeah, if you're not scared of, you know, showing certain things that you don't want to highlight, then this is a great product if you don't care about highlighting. I don't know how to explain it. I love the highlight though, and I do recommend it to anyone that want a nice, affordable drugstore type of blush highlight, and it even comes with a brush. And the last Pixi product is the Pixi by Petra Lip Lift Max in the Honey Sheen color. And this is not the exact one that I bought, so I have had this longer, but look, I don't have much left. So that makes me want to keep the one I had backup for my sister, because I bought the full size one in this Pixi order, but then I realized that I had this one in my collection already. How I got it, I don't really remember. I think one of my friends here on YouTube sent it to me in a friend mail package, but I'm not sure what package it was. Like, when you first look at it, like, it doesn't look like nothing special, but I have it on my lips over the Physicians Formula, what is this called? The Healthy Lip Velvet Finish, and the color is Bear With Me. I have it on top of this, and this is what it looks like, but I have had it on for a little while, so I can just apply some more. But yeah, it smells minty, and it's like a little bit of a lip plumper, but to be honest, I don't think it does. The way it reflects, it makes it appear plumper, and the smell makes you think it looks plumper, if that makes any sense. I really love it though, because I don't, you know, I like the smell of it, I like the look of it. It does make it appear to be light lifted, so I really like this product, and now I'm debating if I really want to send the full size to my sister, because I kind of want it now that I realize that it's getting really low. Like, you can see it right there. So I'll just keep it in there, because I'm not going to give it to her until closer to her birthday, which is in September. So I guess I can make the decision then or before then, whenever I make my decision. But yeah, I definitely love the product, and I do recommend you trying it out if you like those types of lip products. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I do have the Pixi by Petra Light Booster Mascara. This might be the least favorite out of all of these makeup products, but by all means, it is still good. It is. It's not a waste of money. So if you are, for example, I got this for like a free item when you buy so much on the website kind of thing. They put this in there as a free gift with a certain amount of purchase. So it is good. Like, it's not like fantastic and my favorite mascara, but it's not crappy either. Like, I'm wearing it, well, these are falsies, but I'm wearing it on my lower lash, or on my lower lashes. Like, you can see, it works, it lengthens. It doesn't volumize that well, but it does blacken them up and lengthen them a little bit. So it's a nice product, but it's like not my favorite mascara, but it is a nice one to add to the cart if you need a little bit more for free shipping, or if you just needed mascara. It's, like I said, it's not a crappy product. It doesn't flake, it doesn't transfer too bad, or any maybe. It's just my lashes are not in a very good state anyways, because I wear falsies and I like to pick my lashes. So I normally wear false lashes anyways. But yeah, I do like this product. It's definitely, like, would I recommend it? Only if you want to try it, basically. Like, I loved the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've loved a few mascaras more than this one, but this one is nice, and it's nothing to pass on, but it's nothing like, hey, you need to try this if you're going to try anything. Like, by all means, skip on this product and try the other ones before this one, but this one is nice, and I have enjoyed it, and I will continue on using it. Oh yeah, if you want to see how I created a very similar look to this one, I do have a video of that, and I will list it in the description box below also. Alright, that's my full thoughts of these 6 Pixi products. I will have every single one of them linked in my description box below, along with the Pixi website. But like I said, you can go to Target's website or go to Target and check out these products for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye.